Hi guys, WhatsApp just got these amazing new features, full guide. These are updates that 99% of people still don't know about. To find out everything, make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. So bro, quickly open WhatsApp, open any group, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now, voice chat will start. This feature allows group members to talk to each other using voice, like a walkie-talkie. You hold a button to speak, and others can listen in real time without needing to make a voice call. When the voice chat ends, it won't be saved. It's temporary and live. The next amazing feature is on our daily life routine on new WhatsApp status options. Go to the Updates tab at the bottom. Press on Add Status. At the top, you'll now see 4 new options. Text that write a short message others can see on your status. It shows what you're doing or how you're feeling. Music that add music or sound to your WhatsApp status. Viewers will hear the audio along with your photo or video. Layout that we'll talk about layout later. And voice that share a voice message as your WhatsApp status. Contacts can listen to it for 24 hours, just like photos or videos. Now let's talk about the layout feature. This new layout feature lets you select up to 6 photos and automatically arranges them into a stylish collage. No need for any extra photo editing apps. I selected 4 photos. Now, at the bottom, press the checkmark icon. You can pick different grid layouts, resize, or reposition each image before posting. You can even press and hold an image to adjust it manually. Now press Done. You can add music, stickers, text, or use the pencil icon to draw or handwrite on your collage. Finally, just like every day, press Send at the bottom and your status will go live. So friends, which feature did you like the most? Make sure to tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. At the top, you'll see video and phone icons. Press on either one. This lets you start a voice or video call with just one person from the group. You don't need to leave the group or start a separate chat. Now press the arrow on the right side. Select the person you want to call, and that one person will receive the call. It won't show in the group's call history.